Hi and welcome to another video of Mobile Web Secrets. My name is Chris Lee and today we are going to go through how do you find icons that you can use for your mobile web design. So the place that I usually go to is called icons8.com, and over here there's tons of free icons that you are able to use for your website. And you just need to come here and search for the icon that you want. For example, I want to search for mobile. And yeah, over here you can see all the different kind of icons in different styles. Some of them are colored, some of them are black. And for example, let's say I am looking for, let's say, a mobile order form. So this is a mobile order icon, and over in icons 8, right, the cost to how they provide free icons for you, right, is there's a limitation in terms of size that you can download. So you can see over here, right, that you can only choose between 50 pixels and 100 pixels, and that is the size of the icons that you're able to download. Any bigger, I suggest that you just pay for their services, right? And especially, let's say you are a freelance designer, having a bigger icon allows you to do with your design skills. There's a lot more flexibilities of what we can do with different icons, and start to do our magic in it. So for a typical mobile website, 100 pixels is more than enough. So let's go and download the icon. And once I download it, I'm going to bring you to ClickFunnels, which is my choice of doing my mobile web design. And this is the desktop view, right? Let me just give you, this is actually the mobile view. And for example, I just want to change this particular icon, and the icon itself is native provided by ClickFunnels, so I can actually come here and they have already a whole list of icons that you can pick. But if I can't find the right icons I want from the from what ClickFunnels have natively provided me, I will find my own icons. And in this image, I'm going to upload the icons that I've just downloaded. Yep. And straight away goes in. So 100 pixels is more than enough for you to be able to use for your website design, right? And I can even set it to be smaller so that it fits the right size with and consistency with the rest of the icons I've used so far. So right now, one of the things that you see, right, is this is a black icon. And what if I need to change the colors of the icon? What ClickFunnels provided, I can actually just change the colors according to what I want the colors to be. But for the icons you downloaded, it's image. You won't be able to change the colors how you do it, right, with the icons in ClickFunnels. And same with a lot of other website builders. So in order for me to do that, what I'll be doing, right, is I use this online software called Pixar. So PixarX is a photo editor is purely online, right? So I can just access it anywhere. I don't need to buy any software. So I can just drag this image and load it up, and then you straight away go into the photo editor. And in order for me to change the colors, you need to go to the adjust function. And let's say I just want a quick white icon that fits the website. I just need to click on invert, and then I'll get a white icon. Then I can straight away save. And over here, right, you have to take note that in order for me to use this icon, especially when I want to upload to the website, right, I need it to be saved out as a PNG file. What it means is that it includes a transparency layer so that the background, right, is actually transparent. If you save as a JPEG file, usually they'll change the background to white color. So if I have a white icon, I would probably have nothing, it'll just blend into the white color background. If I have a black icon, then I'll have a black icon with a white background. And when you put it on the website, there's some unnecessary colors that will come up, which might not be what you're looking for. So remember, save it in PNG. So I'm not going to save it now because I want my icon in orange. So in order for me to do that, let me put back the invert, and what we are going to do is to go down to this part called toning. So toning is how they are able to change the tonality of the colors in your image that you have uploaded, right? And I'm going to change the amount to 100. And once you see I put it to 100, right, you can see that the color has already changed. And next, I'll be going to shadows, and I'm going to change to the orange that I'm looking for. Yeah, so something around this kind of orange. Yeah, so Once this is done, I'll be able to save it as a PNG file, download it. Yep. Then I can go back to ClickFunnels, click on this, upload the image again. Yep, and now I have an orange icon. Yeah, so this is a very simple way using two websites, right, for you to find icons that you can use for your mobile web design, along with like how do I change the colors. So I hope you like this video, and if you think that this is valuable and you want to see more of this, right, remember to click on like and also the subscribe button along with the bell, right, so that you can get any notification of like the future videos that I've created.